So, you want to be a dungeon master, but maybe you're nervous, overwhelmed, or not sure where to start? Today I'm breaking down surprising tips for brand new DMs. The stuff nobody tells you, but everyone wishes they heard on day one. Let's jump in. A huge mistake new DMs make is preparing like they're writing a novel. 10 pages of lore, branching plot lines, ancient empires. But here's the truth. Your players will walk right past 80% of what you prepare. So prep problems, not plots. Examples. A monster is hunting travelers. A noble is hiding something dangerous. A magical disaster is brewing. Problems invite players to create their own solutions, and those solutions become the story. When players hand you backstories, fears, quirks, rivals, they're actually giving you free plot hooks. Use them shamelessly. Turn a character's forgotten mentor into an unexpected villain. Let a rogue's old gang show up demanding favors. When the story includes their history, everything feels personal. When someone tries something wild, leaping off a balcony, taunting a god, flipping a cart into a barricade, don't shut it down. Use improv rules. Yes, and make a roll. Or, yes, but something risky happens. You're encouraging creativity, not guarding a script. If you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button or drop a comment with the wildest thing a player has ever tried at your table. I'm all about helping you have more fun at the gaming table. Here's a secret. The rules are guidelines, not handcuffs. If your barbarian wants to suplex a troll through a wooden wagon, maybe it's not strictly realistic, but is it awesome? Absolutely. Moments like that become legendary. Your players will talk about them for years. A DM isn't an enemy to defeat. You are the environment, the challenge, the world. Your villain losing is not you losing. Your job is to create excitement, tension, and payoff, not a win against the party. If the players succeed, great. If they fail, make it interesting, not punishing. It's super tempting to create a super cool NPC who tags along with the party. But be careful. NPCs should inspire, guide, or complicate things, not overshadow the heroes. Think Gandalf. He shows up, says something important, maybe saves the day once, and then he's gone, so the heroes can shine. Even experienced DMs don't know every rule. If you forgot something, just say, give me a second to check that, or I'll make a quick ruling for now and confirm later. Players don't expect perfection, they expect clarity and fun. A lot of beginners think they need a giant world, a political map, 15 factions, and a multi-chapter campaign. You don't. Start with one town, a single conflict, a dungeon with 3 to 5 rooms, a handful of NPCs with simple motivations. Small beginnings give you flexibility, and you can expand as the players explore. DMs think they have to constantly create brand new things. Nope. If players skipped a dungeon, use it later. If they killed a villain early, bring back their siblings or apprentice. If you over-prepared something, recycle it in the next arc. Players won't notice, and even if they did, they won't care. Session quality isn't about perfect rules, knowledge, or flawless world building. It's about memorable moments. If your table ends a session laughing or being surprised, excited for what's next, that's success. Everything else is optional. Being a DM isn't about being perfect. It's about being curious, flexible, and having fun with your friends. Now, I want to hear from you what other advice you'd give to a new game master. And lastly, remember, every great DM started exactly where you are.